What is a natural tank? Do you really have any idea at all? I mean, look at all that passes on these threads for natural tanks. It may look natural, and so it is called natural, but is it? Well, in my terms, it certainly is not. It may not appear natural at all, but is called natural. Oh, because of the way it's maintained. Is it natural? What does that really mean? It may have all of the substance that goes into creating a natural environment. Is it natural? In truth, nothing in a little glass box can be as nature is. Certainly not. But can it be natural? I believe so. I believe we can create natural environments. Environments in which fish are able to function in the same way they do in nature, in the wild. A way in which plants can grow in the same way they do in the wild. What is the key? The central premise to this natural aquarium? Well, it is first of all dirt. Dirt. It is inconceivable to have anything growing and living naturally anywhere on planet Earth without dirt. What is dirt? Dirt is the accumulation of organic substances over an extended period of time, creating an environment in which microflora, microfauna, bacteria, and fungus can grow. That is the true nature of dirt. So, you want to create a natural aquarium? Go out into nature. Go to a local stream, river, creek, pond. If it's saltwater, to a bay or a gulf or an ocean, and collect dirt. And if you will, water. Native wild dirt, native wild water. And bring them back and put them in your tank, and you will have the foundation for a genuinely natural environment. Now, you certainly can do otherwise. You certainly can put half an inch of gravel in your tank and feed it liquid fertilizers every day. You can do that. Throw a few plants in, a few fish, feed it 2, 3, 4 times a day. You can do that. And it will give you a very natural tank. It will be a cesspool full of very undesirable critters. But you can do that, and you can call it natural. It's not what I mean by natural. Not at all. What I mean by natural is a healthy living environment, a dynamic environment containing a wide variety of life, a full complement of bacteria, of fungus, of microflora, of microfauna, of even larger little bugs, the kind that fish love to eat. That is what I call a natural environment. And when you load this up with plants and you put humus in it, humus being leaves, dry, dead leaves from trees. Do you know that scientific research has recently proven that it is the leaves of trees that are the foundation of life in freshwater bodies of water everywhere there are trees? They form the foundation, the basis, the core, the essence, the nutrition of life. Leaves. So, gather up leaves. Put leaves in your tank. But don't just gather them from the backyard. Go out into a creek, river, stream, bay and collect them there. Collect them where they are naturally found, where they are breaking down, where they are forming humic substance, where there is life, and bring that life into your tank. And you will have a natural aquarium where fish will live and thrive, where you will not need to feed every day or even once a week. You just keep putting those leaves in there, and you keep bringing in varieties of life from the wild, from nature, and you will very quickly have an environment that will reignite your excitement about this hobby, will give you the greatest sense of adventure, of joy, of celebration, and will provide for your fish a home, a real natural home. So, let's create a natural aquarium. We can do it very easily. It just means taking some risks, getting outside of your comfort zone, doing what everybody has told you never to do. Do what you've been told never to do. And you will see what is on the other side. And you will find a celebration. Come, celebrate with Father Fish and the shoal. Join us on Discord where we're talking about this all the time and having a great and wonderful time doing it. Love you all. Take care for now. I'll see you in your natural